to you with week 4's Week at a Glance. So from the home page, you click on Module 4, and it will take you to the list of activities for week 4. I'm going to click on the Week at a Glance one more time. If you would like to just view it to see it as an overview, you can stay on this image, but if you would like to make the links work, then you can click on the PDF. All right, so pulling up that PDF for Monday. In reading, you're actually going to have a iReady lesson that is ask and answer questions. You also have the opportunity to take the Mayan diagnostic if you have not already, and that will give you another resource for your ERLA time so that you have another option of books to read during that 30 minutes. For writing this week, you are writing your second body paragraph on diet. You're going to watch Miss K's video first so that you understand what to do. And then you are going to write your subtopic sentence for that paragraph. Throughout the week, you're going to be finishing that up with 1 to 2 sentences a day, and feel free to submit it on the Canvas page, or you can send it to me in email. For math, on Monday, you're going to start by clicking on the link for explaining math this week. It will go into more details on what you're doing each day. And you're also going to do your iReady lesson. Last week you did the add and subtract within 100 on the number line. This week is the practice and quiz. For science, now my class have already watched this lesson and made the birdhouse in class, so this should be review. You're going to rewatch what makes a bird visit a bird feeder, and then you're going to build a bird house or a bird feeder with whatever materials you have at home. No pressure to go out and find and or buy materials to make this bird feeder. For Tuesday, in reading, you are going to complete the ask and answer questions for a story, but also there is a mini lesson for your child to watch and do right along with Mrs. Sutton. And I've already explained writing for the week as well as ERLA. In math, there is a saying you're going to watch and do the mini lesson along with Miss Sutton, and then continue on for your iReady, which is the practice and quiz part number 2. For social studies this week, it is exciting. You're going to watch this video about landforms. Then there's a discussion post about writing facts you learned about the landform, but you can also build a diorama of a landform. That will be super exciting. Again, that is optional extension project, but it is something fun to do at home. I'd love to see pictures of that. For Wednesday and Thursday, you're going to do author's purpose. Again, that connects straight to the mini lesson that Miss Sutton made this week. And then in math, you're going to have a practice and quiz for adding to subtract on a number line. And that Thursday lesson will be an adding or subtracting lesson. For Wednesday and Thursday, you have your specialist. Let me know if the links are not working. And then Friday, that's your last day to finish everything up. On iReady, you're doing My Path, or you're finishing up the assigned lessons from the week. For writing, you're turning in your paragraph so that I can give you feedback. And then in social emotional learning, you are going to draw 4 emotion pictures of yourself, as well as visit Miss Berry's page for her lesson. All right, so I'm going to go back to our web page, clicking on Module 4. Again, each subject area is laid out for you in greater detail. Math has an explaining for the week that you can listen to as well. All the assignments are listed here. Here is the teacher model for this week. Reading is the same. Here's the explaining reading for the week, as well as all of the assignments, including the University of Washington reading log. There is the lesson that you need to watch and do this week. For writing, It tells you what sentences to do every day. And then on Friday, you are submitting it to me right here. It has new next to it. And you are going to click submit your body paragraph. Then here at the top, instead of the word publish, is going to say submit assignment. You're going to submit the assignment with this template, the body paragraph number 2. If you do not remember your research topic, according to your early level, here are your research books. Last but not least, for science, social studies, and social emotional learning, there is the picture graphic for all the things you need to do, but here are the links for them. So again, that special extension optional art project, there's some examples right there. Again, my advice is use what you have around the home, nature, recycle objects, etc. There is a video for social emotional learning this week, as well as here is the picture of the activity. Fold your paper in fourths and draw a picture of yourself for happy, sad, worried, and angry. All right, scholars, and that concludes what we are doing for week 4. Special shout outs are on the home page. Here are some tips. I want to give a special thank you for all the families who reached out for Teacher Appreciation Week. Thank you for your kind words and gifts, and I'm so grateful to be your Scholars teacher. Let me know if you have any questions, and congratulations to Asen, Ren, Taylor, and Taz for being this week's Sutton Scholar Compliments. Have a great week and reach out if you have any questions, as well as send me more pictures for Flat Mrs. Sutton's photo.